zakwabo emsebenzini, abantwana besikole. Kule moment engikuyo standing in front of these coffins. Angaze ngicabange empilweni yami ukuthi ngake ngime kanje as a representative of this initiative ebizwa ngokuthi ungazibulali. Ngoba kuyinto ngempela ecishe yenzeke ngokubona imizimba ihambe ngale ndlela. In that heavy heart kunzima nakimi kuthinte enhlizweni ukuthi ngempela kungenzeka yini. Kubuhlungu kodwa-ke ngiyacela ukuthi kubuhlungu kunjalo babe ezulwini asiphe strength. Encourage alomndeni abobhuti Robert, abosisi Lucy, abosisi Memory, ne-extended family friends. Kubuhlungu nje. Kabalami-ke uNkululeko ngoWakhanyi ngizoliphathela uhlelo. I'm going to be the MC kule funeral enzima kangaka phambi kwale mzimba engiyibonayo la. Trusting uNkulunkulu ukuthi nami uzongipha strength to lead this program noma sesiqale sikulate. Amazwi engawasho to the family, uNkulunkulu ezulwini is an only comforter. uNkulunkulu uncomforte in this sad moment, in those questions that you're asking yourself from now, ukuthi why uNkulunkulu kwenzekale in our family. Ngiyazi abaningi banemibuzo right now, maybe ngabe akwenzakalanga lokhu ukube ngamlalela noma ngamsupport. Siyadingana as ngiyacela babomkhwanazi kunama minute jambalwa ngenxa yendlela. We still have a long journey that we need to take after manje. Ngicela uze ngaphambili apostolic. Nasi isizwe sasekuruleni, nasi isizwe sase-Afrika, nasi isizwe ngicela uze baba ngaphambili ngisakubiza. Nasi isizwe siyaphela. Athina amazwi kulomndeni ubona ngathi uNkulunkulu bashiyile. Few words of encouragement.